Hey guys, it's a beautiful day out here. It's like 65 and 64 maybe, and sunshine. It's supposed to rain later on today, but you know, I was thinking, and that's a dangerous thing. Some of the times when we are at our weakest and at our tiredest, that's when we are ready to receive the divine help. I remember the day that Jessica overdosed. I had been living on borrowed times, or borrowed energy, I guess. I hadn't had any sleep for about, I don't know, like 48 hours. And that night, I might have gotten like 1 or 2 hours of sleep somewhere in there, but that night I was so exhausted that when she was in the process, she'd start talking to me and then she'd pass out, and then she'd start talking to me and then she'd pass out. And I asked her mom, "You think I should take her to the hospital?" Because, I had taken her to the hospital over the last year and a half so many times that I was exhausted of going to hospitals and not getting any, concrete results. But her mom said, yes, take her to the hospital. And so I took her to the hospital, and when I got there, it was like everything went in the direction that it should have gone in for the last year and a half, in actuality. They didn't take her to the triage. They didn't make us sit out in the waiting room. They took her directly back and pumped her full of Narcan. And I stayed awake all that night as well. But things went exactly the way they should have gone at the hospital. And then things went exactly the way they needed to go to get her to where she could dry out and get help and become somebody that she was proud of herself, somebody that had victory over this thing. And it was on the way up north that, because of the exhaustion, that I fell asleep at 75 miles an hour and nearly killed us all, if God wouldn't have intervened. But He intervened every step of the way. And so, I wanted to encourage the people out there that are going through tough times, going through whatever the case may be, whether it's your job, your kids, your wife, just maybe it's your battle with yourself, and you're so exhausted of trying to do the things that you think need to be done. I just want to encourage you that help is around the corner. There is divine intervention. God hears the prayer of your heart, and you will get through it. and you'll be stronger, and everybody around you will be stronger for it too, because you'll be able to help them and encourage them and bring them hope. Anyway, that's my 2 cents for the day. Thanks for watching. God bless, and see you next time.